Dear friend, nkwan na ben, I said them din kakan no. Me dey smoke mackerel no go mu no na. Me see man be 7 minutes more. Ana ma twe so be 5 minutes amanadwo. Enti na oil no bebre etim na facet we dey wa me see ni enam na. I said the ye ma papa e dey edi na aduana no. Ayesa yakora to na abu afu. Enti nkwan no dey aye de pa we on say the natural ingredient nkwan ye. Enti we unhia any artificial ingredient ma nkwan na aye de natural ye nya apomuden.
Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to Chef Gabby channel. Today, we are going to learn how to make permanent soup or ab3, as we call it in the local language. It is very easy to make, but at the end of the day, you are going to learn how to make the most delicious permanent soup at home. I know you are going to enjoy this recipe. Come, let's do it together. Yalla! Let's quickly go through the ingredients we are going to use for our permanent soup. So I have cow feet here. This were is not part of the original recipe, but we will say able to freeze and baby and make yakan. So I have these 3 pieces of really herring, amani, salted beef. I think I have my friend cholo beef. Yeah, cholo beef. Salted beef. I have 2 pieces, and I have kaku. My dear friend, where you come market here, your friend no salmon, but we any salmon. Where you smoke mackerel. I have 1 medium-sized smoked mackerel, and I have mpatwa. This is also a smoked fish. We call it mpatwa. And I will see smoked catfish. P3, and I say adjuni. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. 5 small sizes of onion. I have my prekese, okra, tomatoes, garden eggs, scotch bonnet or paposhito, garlic, ginger. I think I mentioned the okra. Salt to taste, and then I have my original inkulenu. This is prekese and ab3, but the prekese me pese e thick, na tight. Oh, soup no. Entina fa ba kwa me de ka on metoto ama sentina ba magina mu yipa. So friend, cow feet na me boiling no gracefully no. Enti we bibia nim salt nim hwe nim eno na me boiling be 15 to 20 minutes, and I said time bia me hu say ayem bia no. Now me dey can other proteins in home. Now me dey afra. Into I'm just adding 1/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. So be ya ebe na ayemre na mana bintem. Ti be ya na da can other proteins no ne ano na ye wie ne kwa. Yeah friend. So these are the 4 ingredients I'm going to blend now. The garlic, the ginger, scotch bonnet, and the onion. Dear friend, I'm coming to assembling all the proteins in the holy matrimony. And mackerel no, most of the time yana it be the 2 on kwani be brand no more the atum, but me pen that way because we are going to get all the flavors from the spices from the beginning of the soup. Once you are blending in and how you be share guma e be ruru anam amana yede it is a we go to latter part na unya ni taste ni na esa na MPC food no as we are now fish. And from here no I will add the ingredients or the blended spices, and then when I simmer it me chim ye be hwe abenkwan no and as a pam no base no egu enam no so ani yeji se de be ya emmash e wo enkwan no enti nkwan be bna ye taste ni dada na dey atum back ni aye no very simple menua enti bebe ye dre no me the onion tu na e kaye no mbi twam se de won se me ye no na me dey atum ye do tam se tomatoes no ayemre na na se nkwan be be tomatoes na blend se edu no na se dem a ye be ya blend amasha fresh soup no so praise the Lord na ye no de ye de aka nam no ho na yare enti bebe ye dro no de ye koye ni wan no ye twen se coffee tin be yemre na ye de aka ho na ye kwa no cholo beef no so no salt kakra wom kako no so salt kakra wom enti beginning ye de salt kakra to taste ebe ka ho enkwane bebra na ya sa taste ya hwe se eyoka enyoka na de bi aka. It is soft, not too soft, but because we are going to cook it again, it's okay now. We are not going to discard the broth. We are going to use it. I will just make sure I take the fat on top of the broth, and the broth contains phosphorus, magnesium, and your banana for fry. Okay, pa your weight management to okay ma because it contains gelatin. Gelatin is udi ananoma a memo fleece as 1 min. And say unum pimu ya and I say waposo utatiki bone broth and so and see ma pa ye kase kan was my yimi ma omo muntimi nanso uta no broth from bone so and so be motimi adakama.
Dear friend, inti baby yedre no kwa me fa so metima yi fat no easily every stock no so say ehye inti me the ice cubes begum me the ice cubes gum na say edwo a ebe ma fat ni nyina beboa no wo faako ana say no wo de spoon epia fat na bonse ni nyina easily ebe pia kogu faako na watimi yi fat ni nyina afri so na kese ya nya fat ewo ya aduane no ma ebe me ya kese ni ya nya only the stock and the properties in it without any fats. Dear friend, there's too much oil on top of the palm nut cream, so I will take it off and then dilute the cream with the stock. I've added more water to it and heat it up so that when I dilute it with the hot water and I add it to the pot, the cooking process will continue. Minua, say nkwan no emu achi fine nso no kura wi amana kakra bi. The tomato is melted, the onion is soft. Enti they can say ibe mackerel no say taste na bem I dewi inti later kwa the two soup no nya hwe. Sebe machine inti say dem din kakan no ye frame near the palm no base no egum na ye da stove no the bigger part nyama no very high heat. Start to say boil and ya low no na sima kopem sebe bring. Abenkwa na nyenye din ye awie eno ano so easy. And therefore, as you can see, there is about 3 liters of liquid, but you can see we also have more space on top of the pot. So always use bigger pot so that your soup will not spill in your kitchen. Dear friend, I'm going no, you're boiling about 15 minutes. Intimate vegetables na can be gum. Breakfast and the start here. Inti garden yes no me twetwa tea na mapam mi na me de gum. Kwakochi ton na say scotch bonnet no so na ya tete ne tea ne firi so na de gum. Ba okro no de ye be wo hye ne keke. Ye ntwane to esa be ma soup no aye slimy enti e bin wi a opa no wate ne to ne free ho no. Yeah friend, I covered the soup because of the garden eggs and the okra. So one cover emma no on say na be trap vapor in away inside na man bin tem kakra say be ya yam kwa ne be bin no the okra and the vegetable will not be hard to eat. And on say oil as start ban chen kakra the best way be say soup no abe no se say oil abe settle on top. You say settle pe bingo na nkwan na ben you see a beautiful soup de oba wo mashallah say ohwe the way oil no ben de na che say nkwan na ben no I hope so kai dodo a ye de gum me ka tomatoes no ye de me ensanti me ko hwe last one aba bingo ye be blend ni ye de agum nkwan no de wa hwe de boy ehu putoputo na che say jagum pa oba wo onion no de aye mo anan ti da me de ye de be ye nam na yawe. Dear friend, baby adu na em say nkwan no me cafe ye no em say aka nchene kakra enti de begum nkwan de abna wi na yesima no be 5 to 7 minutes na ya tue. Dear friend, nkwan na ben ase dem din kakan no me de smoke mackerel no gum no na mesima no be 7 minutes more ana ma tue so be 5 minutes amanadwo enti na oil no bebre atimi asettle ewani no enti say no betima pia gunchai ana betim kura se aguadem no anya organic oil a se wo ye still be a obetimi e de aye nkwa no so abin fam ena wo mu fine we de wa misi ni enam na ase de ye yama papa e de edi na aduana no ayesa yakora to na abuafu enti nkwa no de aye de pa we on say the natural ingredients nkwa no ye enti wo nhia any artificial ingredient mama nkwa na aye de natural ye nya apomuden. Dear friend, this is very easy to make. Please, you do try it at home and I know you will enjoy it. Thank you for watching. God bless you and God bless us all. Adieu.